Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a quick review on the all-new Alpinestars Nucleon KR Cell CIR chest protector. Okay, the Nucleon KR Cell CIR chest protector retails for $49.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing, only if the product itself has been completely redesigned. It's available in two sizes. The size I'm showing you right now, this is a size large, okay? Large or small. At the end of the day, you know, the bigger you can go, the more coverage area you have. It's really that simple, okay? So for the majority of adult males out there, probably the size large is going to be the right choice. This is CE Level 2 certified per the literature, okay? This is an all-new product from them using their cell technology. This stuff is really pretty cool, and what I really like about this protector is if you notice the amount of ventilation that it offers, you're going to get all your chest protection without blocking any of the airflow in this area, and I think that's going to appeal to a lot of riders. Ergonomically designed to fit under the race suit. We're going to show you some B-roll in this video too while I'm reviewing one of the new suits of what it looks like when you have it in there. You need to have a proper fitting suit for this to be held in place. It's that way with the majority of chest protectors. What I found over the years is you have stuff that if it uses straps and different shit, right? You just keep adding bulk, right? You have back protector straps, you got chest protector straps, you got all this shit strapped up and going on, and it just starts to get in the way and cut off circulation or reduce comfort. For that reason, proper fitting suit and a slip-in chest protector, and you see there's like a silicone grip panel right here in the center, right? That's going to help on its own to hold it in place. The cell technology, as it gets thinner towards the outer edges, it's more flexible. There's a two-layer here. The plate in the center is going to be a little bit harder, so if you take a dead center impact on the red stuff, it's going to call on all the other cells around it to kind of open up, the area and disperse the energy the best it can. Got some foam on the back. Okay, with the chest protector, it's this simple, okay? Open the suit up. It needs to fit tight enough that it's going to hold in place, like so. And when you go to zip over it, right, if you feel a little bit of tension going over it, that's when you know that it's going to stay in place as it should when you're riding. All in all, what do I think? I think this is a really nice chest protector option. I think it sells at a fair price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that myself, and I'm always here to help you out.